Stop what you are doing for just 1 second. Right now, as you watch this, a robot named Figure 02 has already helped build over 30,000 cars at a BMW factory in America. It worked 10-hour shifts, 5 days a week. At the same time, a Chinese robot called the Unitree G1 can be bought online for just $13,500, cheaper than a used car. And Tesla? Elon Musk has said publicly that Optimus will be more valuable than all of Tesla's car business combined. He wants to build it at the rate of 1 million units per year. Goldman Sachs, one of the biggest banks in the world, now says the humanoid robot market could be worth $38 billion by 2035. And Morgan Stanley says the entire robot economy could hit $5 trillion by 2050. This is not science fiction anymore. This is happening right now. Here's a number that will make you think. McKinsey Global Institute, one of the most respected research firms in the world, estimates that automation and robots could displace between 400 to 800 million jobs worldwide by 2030. That means up to 375 million workers, roughly 14% of the entire global workforce, may need to completely change what they do for a living. That's the size of the entire US population. Is that terrifying? Maybe. Is it also exciting? Absolutely. Because for every job a robot replaces, new ones are created. In robot programming, maintenance, AI training, design, and management. The key is understanding what's coming before it arrives. So let's meet the companies doing this. Let's start with the most talked about company in the robot world right now. Tesla, the company that changed how we think about electric cars, is now trying to do the same thing with robots. Their humanoid robot is called Optimus. The current version in production as of 2026 is Gen 2, with major upgrades to the hands called Gen 3 hands. Here's what it looks like on paper. Optimus will be more valuable than all of Tesla's other products combined. I think Optimus could be worth more than $25 trillion. Height, 173 centimeters, about 5 feet 7 inches. Weight, 57 kilograms, about 125 pounds. Hand degrees of freedom, 22 DOF, very close to a human hand. Walking speed, up to 10 to 12 kilometers per h. Uses the same AI brain as Tesla's self-driving cars, called FSD, full self-driving. Target price, under $30,000 at scale. Musk has mentioned under $20,000 in the long run. What's it doing right now? Right now, Optimus robots are working inside Tesla's own factories, specifically at Fremont, California, and Giga, Texas, doing tasks like sorting batteries and handling parts. However, Tesla's own CEO admitted on their Q4 2025 earnings call that the robots are primarily for learning and data collection, rather than performing productive tasks right now. In plain words, they're still learning on the job, but they're learning fast. Tesla is also converting its old car production lines, where it used to build the Model S and Model X, into Optimus manufacturing lines. Their target? A dedicated factory with the ability to produce 10 million Optimus units per year at Giga, Texas. Tesla's Optimus Gen 3 is Elon Musk's bet that humanoid robots will become Tesla's most valuable product, he has stated, than the electric vehicle business. Figure AI is one of the most impressive and most funded humanoid robot companies in the world. Founded in 2022, it shot from zero to a $39 billion valuation in under 3 years. But the most impressive thing about Figure AI isn't the money, it's the results. Let's look at BMW story. In 2024, Figure AI sent its robot, called Figure 2, to the BMW Group plant Spartanburg in South Carolina, USA. This is the largest BMW plant in the world by output. The task was simple but repetitive. Pick metal sheets from a rack and place them on a welding machine. A human would do this task over and over, every 84 seconds, all day. Here's what happened over 11 months. Figure 2 ran 10-hour shifts, Monday to Friday. It accumulated 1,250 hours of total runtime. It moved over 90,000 parts. It achieved greater than 99% placement accuracy. It contributed to the production of more than 30,000 cars. BMW's own press release called the results proof that physical AI can deliver measurable added value under real-world conditions. And here's the quote from BMW that everyone in the industry noticed. One key finding was that the transition from the laboratory to the actual production environment was faster than expected. That single line is huge. It means robots are ready for factories sooner than anyone predicted. Following the success at BMW, Figure AI retired Figure 2 and launched Figure 3, their production-grade model. Its height is 5'8" inches, 172 centimeters. Weight, 61 kilograms. Payload, 20 kilograms, can carry about 44 pounds. Hand DOF, 16 degrees of freedom per hand. Battery life, 5 hours, best in class for industrial robots. Special feature, wireless charging through the feet. The robot just walks onto a charging pad. AI system, called Helix, a vision language action, VLA, model that allows the robot to handle objects it has never seen before. Figure AI is building a dedicated robot manufacturing factory called BOTQ, targeting 12,000 robots per year in year 1, scaling to 100,000 per year. Boston Dynamics. If you've ever seen a robot doing a backflip on YouTube and thought, that can't be real, that was Boston Dynamics. Boston Dynamics has been making robots since 1992. They made the famous Spot, the yellow dog-shaped robot, and now they are going big with their humanoid robot, Atlas. At CES 2026, the biggest tech show in the world held in Las Vegas every January, Boston Dynamics made a massive announcement. They unveiled the production-ready, fully electric version of Atlas. This is not a prototype anymore. This is the real thing. What makes the new Atlas special? Degrees of freedom, 56, more than any competitor. Joint rotation, 360 degrees. Atlas can rotate its arms and torso in a complete circle, like no human can. This is described as superhuman range of motion. Payload, lifting capacity, 50 kilograms, 110 pounds. Battery life, 4 hours, with self-swap capability in about 3 minutes. Operating temperature, minus 20 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. Can work in freezing cold or desert heat. Powered by Google DeepMind's large behavior models, some of the most advanced AI for physical movement in the world. The alien in the factory. Boston Dynamics calls Atlas design alien morphology, meaning it doesn't move exactly like a human. It can rotate joints in ways humans can't. This might look strange, but it's actually an advantage. In a cramped factory hallway, Atlas doesn't need to turn around. It can just rotate its arm 360 degrees and reach behind itself. Atlas will add value from day one. Boston Dynamics, who is getting Atlas? All 2026 production slots are already sold out. Every Atlas robot built this year is going to Hyundai for car manufacturing at their Robotics Metaplant Application Center, Google DeepMind for advanced AI research and training. Additional customers will have to wait until 2027, 30+ years of robotics research. No other company can claim that, but they are producing a small number of robots. Compare this to Unitree, which we'll discuss, shipping thousands per year. Ladies and gentlemen, let's introduce Unitree Robotics. Unitree is the most surprising company on this list. While US companies are busy raising billions in funding and talking about what their robots will do someday, Unitree is already shipping at massive scale, at prices that make everyone else look expensive. Starting price, $13,500, most affordable full-size humanoid on the market. Battery, 2 hours active use, quick release, swappable. In February 2026, the G1 demonstrated Kung Fu forms at a tech expo in Shenzhen, showing off its incredible balance and joint control. And in one of the most wild stunts in robotics history, Unitree filmed the G1 walking through minus 47 degrees Celsius, minus 53 degrees Fahrenheit, freezing snow in Altai, China, outdoors, just to prove it works in extreme weather. The Unitree R1, a newer, even cheaper humanoid at around $4,900, was named one of Time Magazine's best inventions of 2025. The G1 is being trialed at Tokyo Haneda Airport in partnership with Japan Airlines and GMO Internet Group for baggage and cargo handling, the first commercial airport deployment of a humanoid robot in history. Unitree filed for a stock market listing on the Shanghai STAR market in March 2026, targeting a valuation of around $7 billion. They are reportedly the only profitable humanoid robot company in the world right now. Let's introduce 1X Technologies. While most companies are focused on factories, 1X Technologies is doing something different. They're focused on your home. Their robot, called Neo, is one of the first humanoid robots to be officially delivered to people's homes for real-world testing. In 2026, Neo became the first humanoid to go from lab prototype to in someone's actual living room. What is Neo? Neo is a soft-looking, quiet humanoid robot built for indoor domestic environments. It is designed to live in your house, with you. Designed for soft, unstructured home environments, not just flat factory floors. Can pick up clothes, carry groceries, tidy up rooms. Uses AI to understand natural language. You can talk to it like a person. Soft exterior to be safe around children and pets. 1X Technologies describes their mission as building the physical body for AI. Now let's talk numbers, because this is where things get truly mind-bending. Goldman Sachs says the humanoid robot market could hit $38 billion by 2035, 6 times their earlier estimate. Morgan Stanley says the total humanoid robot economy could be worth $5 trillion by 2050. That's roughly the current GDP of Japan and Germany combined. Bank of America projects robot costs could fall below $17,000 per unit by 2030, making them affordable for small businesses and eventually consumers. Shipping numbers. Unitree shipped 5,500 plus units in 2025. Target 10,000 to 20,000 in 2026. Tesla Optimus, hundreds of units in internal testing, not commercially sold yet. Figure AI already have small fleet at BMW. BQ factory targeting 12,000 per year capacity. So here's where we are. In 1 decade, we have gone from robots that could barely walk in a lab to robots building cars, handling airport cargo, doing kung fu, and moving into people's homes. For the first time in human history, we are creating physical intelligence, machines that can see, think, and act in the real world. Not just on a screen, not just in a game, in our factories, in our hospitals, in our homes, on the moon. This could be the most important technology ever built, or it could create the biggest disruption the human workforce has ever seen. Probably both. The question is not whether this is coming. It already is. The question is, are you ready? If you found this useful, share it with someone who needs to see it. And if you want more breakdowns like this, covering AI and the future, make sure you subscribe. Drop a comment telling me which robot you found most impressive. I'll see you in the next one.